Easy. Let's start. Ax plus by plus c does not represent an equation of line when. So what is the equation of line? Equation of line is there should be 1 degree x, 1 degree y and constant. If it is there, it's okay. If it's not there, then also it's okay. But x and y should be there. Okay. So for any equation to be an equation of a line, it must have x or y with degree 1. So if a equals to 0 and b equals to 0, remember both, we get c equals to 0, which is not the equation of the line, right? Suppose, getting it? Here, suppose this is 2, c equals to 2, constant it's basically, c equals to 2. Now x and y are 0, then 2 equals to 0, is it possible? No. But important point is, both should be 0. It should not be that x equals to 0 and b is not, y is not equals to 0. Even if y is not equals to 0, then also it's a line. Okay. Even if x is not equals to 0 and y is equals to 0, then also it's a line. Right. Okay. If a line has only y and constant, then it is parallel to x axis. Similarly, if it has only x and a constant, then it is parallel